Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to turn off Meta AI on Messenger. If you don't like to use the Meta AI on Messenger and you want to get rid of it, then in this video, we will discuss how it could be possible. So first, you have to simply open your Messenger app, and once it gets open, you will be into the chat section. As you can see, we have this option Ask Meta AI. Click onto it and the chat will open. Now you can see this eye icon on the top right. You have to click onto it and it will open something like this. Now as you can see, we have different options. Within that, we have this option for mute. You have to click onto it and select the last option until I change it and click on OK, and after that it will get mute. As the Meta AI gets mute, then you will not be able to get any sort of notification, and whenever you try to chat with it, it would not respond until you unmute it. So that's how you can turn off Meta AI on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.